To find out which version of Windows you're using on your computer, take the pointer down to the search box down the bottom, left click into it, type in WinVer, WINVER. When it appears in the menu, left click once onto it, and this will tell you what version of Windows 10 you're using. If you want slightly more information than that, what you can do is go down to the search box, left click into it, and type about your PC in the menu, left click once. This will give you some more information about your PC. It will tell you which processor you're using and how much installed RAM you're using, which is the operating memory for your desktop, and some other information there for you as well. This is Windows 7, by the way, but if you wanted to check in case we didn't know, or we want to find out more information, take the pointer down to the start button down the left hand corner, and then when the search box opens up, type in WinVer, WINVER. Which version of Windows. We can click onto the icon there, WinVer, left click once, and it tells us that we're using Windows 7 Professional. We can close that down. If you want to find out a little bit more information than that, we can left click on the button down the bottom and we can type in about. And when we see System appear in the menu, left click once on System, and this will give us a little bit more information about the computer, tell us what processor we're using here, also how much memory we've got installed. This is RAM memory, which is the operating system memory for the desktop in particular. So you've got a little bit more information about your computer there. But if you are running Windows 7, I do recommend that you upgrade to Windows 10 as quick as you can, because Windows 7 is no longer supported by Microsoft for security updates, etc. So you really want to be getting onto Windows 10 as soon as you can. And if you check out my Windows 10 videos, you should be able to see some information about how to upgrade to Windows 10 free of charge.